Hello there, it's Gibbon here from Discover the World Together. We're about to embark on a thrilling journey, one that will take us to the heart of ancient Egypt. Today we'll explore the mysteries of the Great Pyramid of Giza. We'll delve into its rich history, marvel at the ingenious methods used in its construction, and venture into its enigmatic inner chambers. It's an adventure filled with awe-inspiring facts and captivating stories. So, are you ready to journey back in time to the land of the pharaohs? The Great Pyramid of Giza, a marvel that has stood the test of time. A testament to human ingenuity and the enduring legacy of a civilization that flourished over 4,000 years ago. But what is the story behind this awe-inspiring structure? The Great Pyramid, the largest and the oldest of the three pyramids in the Giza pyramid complex, was commissioned by the pharaoh Khufu, also known as Cheops, during the 4th dynasty of ancient Egypt, around 2,580 years before Christ. This colossal structure was not merely a tomb for the departed pharaoh, it was a bridge between the earthly realm and the divine, a stairway to the stars, if you will, ensuring the pharaoh's immortality among the gods. Constructed over a 20-year period, the Great Pyramid, towering at a staggering height of 481 feet, outshines all other man-made structures for over 3,800 years. A marvel of engineering, it consists of over 2 million blocks of stone, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons, meticulously arranged to create this monumental edifice. The significance of the pyramid in ancient Egyptian culture cannot be overstated. The pyramid, in essence, was their cosmological blueprint, a representation of the primordial mound from which the Egyptians believed the earth was created. It was a symbol of the sun's rays, which the Egyptians considered as the stairway to the heavens, leading the pharaoh's soul to join the sun god Ra in his eternal journey across the sky. The Great Pyramid is also a testament to the astronomical knowledge of the ancient Egyptians. Its sides are precisely aligned to the cardinal points of the compass, and its dimensions encode certain solar and lunar measurements, reflecting the Egyptians' understanding of celestial mechanics. Astonishing, isn't it? The Great Pyramid of Giza is not just a structure but a testament to the grandeur of ancient Egyptian civilization. It stands as a silent witness to a time when mankind, driven by faith, ambition, and a profound understanding of the cosmos, dared to reach for the stars, shaping the very stones to echo their dreams across the millennia. Imagine a time before cranes and bulldozers, yet a structure as monumental as the Great Pyramid was constructed. This feat of ancient Egyptians is an enduring testament to their ingenuity. But how did they achieve this without the convenience of modern technology? The construction of the Great Pyramid was a formidable task, even by today's standards. The pyramid is made up of over 2.5 million blocks of stone, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. That's the weight of 2 small cars. Now imagine moving these massive stones without the help of machines. The Egyptians, however, didn't shy away from the challenge. They rolled up their sleeves and got to work. But they didn't do it alone. The construction of the pyramid was a massive undertaking, involving a labor force believed to be in the tens of thousands. These weren't slaves, contrary to popular belief, but rather well-fed and cared-for workers who took on this mammoth project with a sense of pride and accomplishment. The stones used in the construction were not brought from far-off lands, but were quarried locally. The bulk of the pyramid was built using limestone blocks, while the outer casing was made of fine white limestone, giving the pyramid a gleaming appearance in the Egyptian sun. But even with the materials at hand, the real challenge was in the construction methodology. How did the ancient Egyptians manage to stack these colossal blocks with such precision? This question has puzzled historians and architects for centuries. Some theories suggest that the Egyptians used a system of ramps and levers to move the blocks into place. Others propose that they might have used a pulley system or even a primitive form of a crane. While the exact method remains a mystery, what's clear is that the Egyptians had a deep understanding of physics and engineering, far beyond their time. The construction of the Great Pyramid was not just a feat of engineering, but also a testament to the organizational skills of the ancient Egyptians. The process required careful planning, coordination, and execution, from quarrying the stones, transporting them, and finally stacking them into the pyramid shape we see today. The pyramid's construction wasn't just about building a tomb for the pharaoh, it was a symbol of the pharaoh's divine status, a statement of power and technological prowess. It was a project that brought together the population, giving them a shared purpose and a sense of national identity. Against all odds, the ancient Egyptians left a legacy in stone that continues to baffle and inspire us. Their feat reminds us of the power of human ingenuity and determination, and while we may not fully understand how they achieved this monumental task, we can appreciate the beauty and grandeur of the Great Pyramid, a testament to a civilization that continues to fascinate us thousands of years later. Now that we've admired its exterior, what secrets does the Great Pyramid hold within its colossal walls? Delve into the heart of the Great Pyramid and you'll find a labyrinth of chambers and corridors, each with its own purpose and significance. The pyramid's internal structure is as fascinating as its exterior, a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Egyptians. At the core of the pyramid is the King's Chamber, a grand room constructed entirely of red granite. This chamber was designed to house the sarcophagus of the pharaoh Khufu, although no mummy has ever been found here. The King's Chamber is also home to the so-called relieving chambers, a series of 5 rooms stacked one above the other, designed to distribute the weight of the stone blocks and keep the King's Chamber from collapsing. Leading up to the King's Chamber is the Grand Gallery, a magnificent corridor stretching some 28 yards in length and rising to a height of 8 yards. The gallery's purpose remains a mystery, with theories ranging from a buffer to protect the King's Chamber from tomb robbers, to a symbolic pathway for the pharaoh's soul to ascend to the heavens. Below the King's Chamber, almost at the very heart of the pyramid, lies the Queen's Chamber. Contrary to its name, it's unlikely this room was intended for the burial of a queen. No sarcophagus has ever been found here, and the chamber's original purpose remains a mystery. Hidden within the Great Pyramid's walls, archaeologists have discovered a number of significant artifacts, including a set of wooden ship models, several copper tools, and a variety of stone vessels. These objects offer a glimpse into the life and beliefs of the ancient Egyptians, yet they also deepen the mystery that surrounds this awe-inspiring structure. The Great Pyramid of Giza, a structure shrouded in mystery and a monument to human ingenuity. So, what have we discovered about the Great Pyramid of Giza today? We've taken quite the journey, traversing through time and space to unravel the mysteries of this monumental structure. We delved into its rich history, explored the intricacies of its construction, and dared to venture into the inner sanctums of the pyramid. We began by stepping back over 4,500 years, to a time when the ancient Egyptians were at the peak of their civilizational prowess. The Great Pyramid of Giza emerged as an extraordinary emblem of their power, a marvel that continues to captivate us to this day. Born from the vision of Pharaoh Khufu, it served not only as his final resting place, but as a symbol of his eternal spirit, his divine connection to the gods, and the indomitable might of his reign. Our journey then took us into the heart of the pyramid's construction. We learned how this immense feat was achieved through a combination of human endeavor, architectural genius, and perhaps a touch of divine inspiration. Thousands of workers over 2 decades moved and shaped colossal blocks of stone, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. They created a structure that, for more than 3.5 millennia, held the title of the tallest man-made structure in the world. And who could forget our exploration of what lies within the pyramid? The eerie quiet of the King's Chamber, the claustrophobic passageways, and the mysterious Queen's Chamber. These spaces, once bustling with activity and filled with treasure, now stand empty and silent, yet they still resonate with the echoes of their past. But perhaps what's most intriguing about the Great Pyramid of Giza is not just its grandeur, but the enduring enigma it represents. Despite our best efforts to understand it, there remain questions unanswered, secrets unspoken, and tales untold. The pyramid continues to be a source of fascination and speculation, a testament to the enduring allure of the ancient world. In every stone, every passageway, every chamber, the Great Pyramid of Giza tells a story. It's a story of human determination, of architectural brilliance, and of a civilization that, thousands of years ago, dared to reach for the stars. As we conclude our journey, remember, the Great Pyramid of Giza stands as a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. This is Gibbon from Discover the World Together, signing off until our next adventure.